Essential features of leading web design tools in 2026. Web design has evolved significantly. You don't need coding skills or expensive developers. Launching a website takes days now. Top web design tools use AI, automation, and intelligent templates. These tools help create stunning sites quickly. Let's explore the must-know features of top web design tools in 2026. Today's tools are more than design software. They act as business platforms. You can create websites, maximize conversions, enhance speed, monitor users, automate updates, integrate marketing tools. Feature 1. AI-powered website creation. Leading tools can generate entire websites from simple instructions. For example, request a site for an online fitness coach. The system produces layouts, pages, colors, text, and images in minutes. This process enhances creativity without starting from scratch. Feature 2. Intelligent layout enhancement. Modern tools guide you on element placement. They assess spacing, alignment, and readability in real time, ensuring your design is cohesive. Feature 3. Integrated SEO. Features SEO is now built into design tools. Top platforms manage contributions like page titles, image optimization, and mobile compatibility, which prepares your site for search engines. Feature 4. Sales-oriented components. Modern web design tools help generate sales. You access sections for landing pages, sales funnels, and client testimonials, all performance tested for effective conversion. Feature 5. Code-free automation. Websites can now automate workflows without coding skills. You can automate follow-up emails, client onboarding, and payment confirmations. Feature 6. Instantaneous collaboration. Teams can collaborate in real time. Designers, writers, and clients can edit and comment simultaneously, making workflow efficient. Feature 7. Speed and performance tuning. Speed is crucial. Slow sites lose users. Leading tools automatically compress images and enhance server performance, requiring no technical skills. Feature 8. Automatic responsive design. Responsive design now automates adjustments for various devices. Each layout adapts without extra effort or designs. Feature 9. Integrated analytics and heatmaps. Analytics help eliminate guesswork. You can monitor click locations, scrolling behavior, and page effectiveness for ongoing improvement. Feature 10. AI-enhanced content and copyright aids. Creating content is easier now. Tools assist by generating headlines, product descriptions, and calls to action, saving you time. Selecting the ideal web design tool. Choose tools based on your specific goals, not trends. Identify whether you seek sales, leads, bookings, or subscriptions. The web design formula for 2026. Use AI, smart layouts, integrated SEO, conversion tools, automation, speed, and analytics. Together, these elements make your website a growth engine. Final thoughts. In 2026, web design is about building systems that convert and expand. If your site isn't contributing to growth, it's outdated. Master these features, apply them wisely, and build with intention. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.